In this video making hammerheads for silversmithing hammers, I'm Oliver Christensen.
And I'm Jesper Bertelsen.
Welcome to Shaping Silver. Alright, so one thing I always wanted to do was make my own silversmithing hammer. And the first part of the process is making the hammerhead. And how do we do that?
Today we're gonna take some steel like this, or like this. This is the same steel. And we're gonna make a hole with this punch. And we're gonna draw out the hammerhead. This one is not being worked on yet. This one is being worked on. So here you can see something like the final result.
Before we start hammering the hammers, a little note on the design. The hammers here are for a future project and are designed for sinking, even though they look like racing hammers. I needed something narrower than your average racing hammer and with different face heights. The footage in this video is from a hammerhead forging course I bought from Jesper, and for this being my second time blacksmithing, it's probably a bit ambitious. But Jesper did his best to correct my mistakes along the way. If you want to know more about designing hammerheads for goldsmithing and silversmithing, the book Silversmithing by Rupert Finegold or Form Emphasis for Metalsmiths by Heikki Seppa are good places to start. I'll include links in the description. And now it's time to let the sparks fly.
Yes, den er lige ved at bryde igennem. Ja, så skal vi... Ja. Bare sæt den på, hvis du... Ja, bare stå til. Kom så. Vi skal ikke bruge driften mere. Vi laver en lille hul. Bare slash. Ja, yes. Sådan, mand. Pisse fedt. Så nu var du bare laver den pæn der. Men i al almindelighed, lige meget hvad jeg smider, så inden jeg retter den hele dag og bliver helt glad for den, så sætter jeg altså tanken på for smedefanden. Ja. Fordi så kan jeg bagefter, hvis der kommer nogle små mærker, lige tage filen og så lige rette de der på mærker, og så smide dem ren og fin. Men det sker jo, det hopper ud af tanken alligevel. Bare lige en enkelt slag. Yes. Og så kan du arbejde med den der. Så det er nu, det er det sidste form. Så nu er det helt dig, der bestemmer.
This final step was done in darkness, and it was a bit difficult to capture all the details, so let me explain. After a couple of normalizing cycles, the steel was heated to hardening temperature and the faces were quenched. Afterwards, the heat from the center of the head was allowed to creep back into the faces, and once at tempering temperature, the faces were quenched and kept from losing their temper, giving hard faces and a soft center.